Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec. On Monday, the 27th of January, looking at dollar yen, which continues to weaken. The yen is really in the ascendancy at the moment. We talked throughout the last week or so about the fact that this consolidation would turn corrective. Seems as though that the number of bear candles that we're getting are racking up. You've seen a gap lower this morning. Below 109 figure, I said that 109 figure was possibly a ballpark area for a correction to come back into. Well, you've got also the breakout point 108.50. So 108.50 to 109 figure, probably looking at the bulls are probably looking at that being a retreat zone for the next rally, for the next sort of support to start to build. And already you're getting the RSI back towards 40. If you look at here on the previous lows, they're all between sort of the 35 on that January low, but up towards the sort of low to mid 40s for much of the time actually. So it's not a million miles off an area where you'd think that the support might start to build, but you've just seen a bear cross on the MACD, stochastics as well. So the momentum with this move is pretty big, and obviously at the moment it is accelerating lower, so you wouldn't want to call support before it actually starts to kick in. Now today we've had a low of 108.70, and it seems as though that could well be retested at some stage, and the market's sort of fallen back again. 109.20 being an old pivot line. If I sort of open this out, you can see old levels where 109.20 seem to be turning points. So that is something to think about as resistance overhead. Then you're looking at the 109.65, 109.70 area with these old highs. But certainly it looks as though that intraday rallies are being sold into at the moment, moving to the downside. Pressure's on still on the corrective move, and at the moment, given the acceleration lower in momentum, there's no real expectation that this is going to necessarily stop. I think at the point at which it does start to build support, you could see the next higher low coming in, because that tends to be how it's been seen. All these instances where you do get these sharp moves, and they are sharp moves actually, as you can see through dollar yen, you get the sharp corrective moves, then start to build support, and when the support comes in, it's fairly decisive. But you can see here all the sharp moves, then you start to see the support building again. So I'd expect to see that support will come in at some stage, and then you'll start to rebuild once more. But for now, certainly risk negative markets, dollar yen not doing all that great. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.